Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we will see about DeepSeek AI, which is powerful, but most people only scratch the surface. Today, I'm revealing 3 secret hacks that will take your DeepSeek experience to the next level. Let's dive in. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Hack number 1. Chain of thought prompting. If you want better answers, especially for math, logic, or planning tasks, always add this to your prompt. Think step by step before you answer. This forces DeepSeek to reason logically and gives you more accurate and structured results. For example, in this video, I'm giving prompt as, how do I plan a 3-day trip to Tokyo? Think step by step. Let's see what DeepSeek AI gives us. Hack number 2. Context injection. DeepSeek doesn't retain memory between chats, but you can fake it by injecting context. Before asking a question, just paste 1 to 2 lines of your previous prompt. In this video, I'm giving prompt as, I'm a freelance graphic designer who prefers minimalist style. Now suggest portfolio ideas. Let's see what DeepSeek gives us. You'll instantly get way more relevant answers. Here is a small tip. Save your context block in Notes and reuse it for any prompt. Hack number 3. Style shifter. DeepSeek can write in different voices, but most users never ask. Try prompts like, explain this as a pirate, write this in Gen Z slang, or summarize this like a Shakespearean play. It's not just fun, it's powerful for content creation, humor, and even marketing. In this video, I'm giving prompt as, I can't come to the party. Please convert this sentence in Gen Z slang. Let's see what DeepSeek gives us. These 3 hacks make DeepSeek smarter, sharper, and way more fun to use. Start using them today, and you'll instantly stand out from the average AI user. Which DeepSeek hack are you excited to try? Drop it in the comments below. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next video.